Hi everyone, this is Ranger Allie here at Fort King George State Historic Site. Now the main attraction of our historic site is a reconstruction of a British fort that was here in the 1720s. But the overall history of our site spans much beyond just that one decade. I'm standing in front of the ruins of a sawmill that was here in the late 1800s, early 1900s. Now the sawmilling industry was a really huge part of the town of Darien. For about 200 years that was our main industry, starting in the mid-1700s and ending in 1923 with the close of the Savannah Lumber Company, which is part of what we're standing in front of right here. Now, the sad thing about the sawmilling industry during this time period was that they were not practicing very sustainable business practices, and they burned through so much yellow pine and cypress that they actually depleted the local supply, and that's what led to the decline of the industry. Now, given those circumstances, I'm about to show you something really cool. There is actually a baby pine tree growing out of these ruins. Isn't that neat? Now, if that is not poetic justice, y'all, I don't know what is. Thank you for joining me today and watching this video. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and stay safe.